अगर आप भी कनाडा में पढ़ने का प्लान कर रहे हो, then it's crucial to stay updated on the latest post-graduation work permit changes for 2025. Recent policy shifts could impact your work opportunities after graduation. That's why today I'll break down these changes, highlight which programs and institutions remain PGWP eligible, and discuss how these updates might affect your journey towards permanent residency. Post-graduation work permit allows international graduates from Canadian institutions to gain valuable work experience in Canada. PGWP की ड्यूरेशन डिपेंड करती है स्टडी प्रोग्राम की लेंथ पे, रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 8 months to 3 years. ये वर्क एक्सपीरियंस अक्सर परमानेंट रेजिडेंसी की तरफ फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है. As of November 1, 2024, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) implemented significant changes to the PGWP program, like field of study requirements. Graduates from college programs must now have completed studies in specific fields to be eligible for a PGWP. This change aims to align education with Canada's labor market needs. Next is language proficiency standards. Applicants must demonstrate language proficiency at a Canadian language benchmark, CLB level 7 और higher. इससे ये कंफर्म होता है कि ग्रेजुएट्स कैनेडियन वर्कफोर्स में आसानी से जेलअप कर सकेंगे या नहीं. नेक्स्ट इज एलिमिनेशन ऑफ फ्लैग पोलिंग. Starting June 21, 2024, applying for a PGWP at a port of entry is no longer permitted. All applications must be submitted online or from within Canada. Before moving further, just remember to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Well, these policy changes directly affect which programs and institutions are PGWP eligible. Firstly, eligible programs. Programs must be at least 8 months long, lead to a degree, diploma or certificate, and be in fields identified as in demand by the Canadian government. Secondly, eligible institutions. Ensure your institution is a designated learning institution (DLI) with PGWP eligible programs. Graduating from a non-eligible program or institution means you won't qualify for a PGWP. For Indian students, these changes have significant implications. First, program selection. ऐसा program choose करना that aligns with Canada's labor market needs, which is now more critical than ever. This alignment not only ensures PGWP eligibility but also enhances employment prospects. Second is permanent residency, that is PR pathways. Canadian work experience gained through a PGWP is valuable for PR applications. However, नए स्टडी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के साथ सही प्रोग्राम चूज करना जरूरी है करियर ग्रोथ और PR एलिजिबिलिटी दोनों के लिए. Now to navigate these changes effectively, first is research extensively. Verify that both your chosen institution and program are PGWP eligible. सबसे अपडेटेड इन्फो के लिए IRCC की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से कंसल्ट करना इज दी बेस्ट. Secondly, enhance language skills. Prepare for and achieve the required language proficiency levels before applying. Consider enrolling in language courses if necessary. Thirdly, seek professional guidance. Consult educational advisors or immigration consultants to make informed decisions tailored to your career goals. While the recent changes to Canada's PGWP program may seem daunting, with careful planning and informed choices, you can still achieve your academic and career aspirations in Canada. So stay proactive, stay informed and take the necessary steps to align your education with your future goals. And हम समझते हैं that coping up with all these parameters is way too tough. That's why we are here to help you for meeting all the PGWP requirements to prepare a strong application of yours. To get started, just fill out the Google form, link in the description below. And one of our expert counselors will personally get in touch with you soon. And for all this process, you will be charged 0 rupee. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more updates and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the study abroad important tips. See you in the next one.